Indo-Greek ruler issued lead coin Strato 2. Both Sankarsana and Vasudeva are depicted on the coin of which of the following ruler? Agathocles. Who among the following was not contemporary of the other three? Melinda. Earliest specimen of Kabe style is found in the inscription of Ruddaman of Kathiawar, which inscription tells about the various achievements of Ruddaman and Junagadh. Who renovated Sudarshan Lake without using forced labor? Ruddaman 1. According to the rock inscription of Sanskrit composed around 2nd century CE, Sudarshan Lake, an artificial reservoir, was prepared by Ruddaman, in which of the following metal are Khardamaka Chhatrapas issued very rare coins? Copper. Match the list. Demetrius, Indo-Greek, Ruddaman, Scythian, Gondo, Fairness, Parthian, Bhima, Kosana. Which one of the following is correct chronological order? Greek Saka Kusanas. Largest number of copper coin in northern and northwestern India were issued by Kusanas. Which one is the following issued gold coin regularly? Kusana. Buddha is depicted on the coin of Kanishka. Which of the following king is created to have issued gold coin for the first time? Bhima Khadipis. Who among the following introduced gold coin for the regular use in India? Bhima Khadipis. First issued gold coin on a large scale, Bhima Khadipis. Who adopted Khadipis II of the Kusan dynasty? Which of the following? Sarvalokeswar, Lord of whole world. Which god is found depicted on Ayodhya coins? Kartikya. Date of Sarnath Buddhist image inscription of Kanishka, 81 AD. In which year Kusan king Kanishka was held? 78. Sak Sambat initiated 78 AD. How much is the year difference between Sak Sambat or Bikram Sambat? 135 year. Chaitra 1 of the national calendar based on Sak era correspond to which one of the following dates? Georgian calendar in a normal year 22 March. Bikram Sambat started 57. Which one of the following will be the year of Sak Sambat? 1931. Consider the name of contemporary of Kanishka. Select the correct answer from the code. Ashvaghosh and Basumitra. Ashvaghosh was contemporary of Kanishka. Which one is not associated with the court of Kanishka? Patanjali. Which one of the following did not adorn the court of Kanishka? 1. Visakha Datta. Not mentioned in the Rabatak inscription of Kanishka. Sarvasti. Ayurvedacharya was educated at Taxila University. Charakya and Jivika. Consider the following dynasty of ancient India: Maurya, Shunga, Kanva, Kusana. Information about two Ashwamedh Yajna performed by the king Pushmitra Shunga. Ayodhya inscription. Ancestor of Shunga originated from Ujjain. Which dynasty ruled over India after Shunga dynasty? Kanva. Who among the following rules is stated as protector of Varna system? Gautamiputra Satkarni. Most powerful after Maurya in southern India? Satvahana. Simuka was the founder of Satvahana. Which Chinese general had defeated Kanishka? Pan Chao. Which of the following dynasty empire was expanded even outside of India? Maurya and Kusana. The institution of child marriage started in Kusana period. 16 coins of King Meander have been founded from Bharat site. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Kusana Gandharva School of Art. Art of Gandhara style flourished during the Kusanas. Gold ratio of gold silver coin in the Saka or Chhatrapata period 1 is to 35. Which one is not correctly matched? Satavahana gold. Satavahana coins are unique indication issued punchmark coin and produce coin in lead, copper, bronze, silver and 14 copper, silver, lead mixed. Kusana's gold और कॉपर. गुप्ता गोल्ड और सिल्वर. कालचुरीज गोल्ड सिल्वर कॉपर. लिस्ट गंधर्व आर्ट कुसाना. जूनागढ़ इंस्क्रिप्शन रुद्रामन 1. मिलिंद पनाह मियंडर. तक्षशिला इंस्क्रिप्शन पट्टिका. बमियान of Afghanistan was famous for Buddha statue. The art style which combines Indian and Greek feature is called Gandhara. Gandhara school of art synthesis of Indian and Greek art. In which following Gandhara style is known as Indo-Greek. Sculpture invariably used green schist as a medium. Gandhara sculpture, with reference to the invader in ancient India. Correct chronological order. Greek Saka Kusanas. First Persian ruler who captured some part of India. Darius. Earliest dynasty Satavahana. Which Puran consists the longest list of Andhra Satavahana king? Matsya Puran. Capital of Satavahana was located at Amravati. Which of the following place was capital of Satavahana? Partishthan. For which of the following rulers Ik Brahman has been used? Gautamiputra Satkarni. Match of the following: सुंगा पाटलिपुत्र, सातवाहना पैठान और प्रतिष्ठान. कदम बनवासी, चंडेल महोबा. Place in ancient presently in the state. करना सुबर्णा वेस्ट बंगाल. प्रयाग ज्योतिष असम. गिरनार गुजरात. प्रतिष्ठान महाराष्ट्र. Arrange the following chronological order. सातवाहना वाकाटक चालुक्य. Satavahana period Sanskrit along with Prakrit and other folk language were developed. Satavahana king promoted the use of Sanskrit and the other folk language for literary writing. Satavahana rules which of the following? Satavahana kings were nurture of the Prakrit language. Public aspect of art got more encouragement during the Satavahana period. After weakening of power of Satavahana dynasty, Bakatak dynasty established its kingdom. Parvar Sen was the son of Vindhya Sakti. Feature of a platform with Aryak pillar are found Amravati. Not correctly matched. Bhitari Pulkesin Tune. अस्कंद गुप्ता. भीतरी अस्कंद गुप्ता. गिरनार रुद्रदामन. नासिक गौतमीपुत्र. हाथी गुफा खारवेला. Ruler of which of the dynasty have been Sri Parvatiya in Puran? Ikshvaku. Kusan traded through Gulf of Persian and Red Sea. King Kharvela is related to Hathi Gufa inscription. Patron of Jainism Kharvela. King of Kalinga Kharvela was related to Chedi. Who among the following king had heavily leaned towards Jainism? Kharvela. Kalinga king Kharvela was associated with Mahameghabhana dynasty. Inscription of Hathi Gufa, source of information about Kharvela. First, Udaygiri and Khandagiri cave. It both natural and artificial. Udaygiri has 18 and Khandagiri has 15 caves. Hathi Gufa, inscription of Kharvela. Udaygiri caves, Khandagiri caves नहीं. Midfield, the mostly contributed by Eastern Roman ruler Justinian. Law. Periplus of Erythraean Sea. Periplus of Erythraean Sea, anonymous work around the middle of the 1st century. Consider the context of ancient. There are references of numerous river ports in ancient India. There are large interports of goods and traffic.